Good day everyone, this is Engineer Armando Omanito and our topic for today is somewhat a continuation of our last video number 73. This is still about the parabola. So I suggest that you have to watch first our last video number 73 before watching this video so that you can understand this video much better. So let's have the example 2. Given the equation 16y squared minus 96x minus 24y plus 57 is equal to 0, find the vertex and the standard equation. So first, let us use the new formulas. So we have here the equation. So we have 16y squared minus 96x minus 24y plus 57 is equal to 0. So, let us change all the sign of the variables and then let us write first the term with variable x. So, we have from negative 96x, we will have 96x and then we have negative 16y squared. We will have 24y and then minus 57 is equal to 0. So here, from this revised equation, we will have b is equal to 96, c is equal to negative 16, d is equal to positive 24, and e we have negative 57. Now, we will use this formula. K is equal to negative d over 2c. So, we will have negative, our d is 24 and then 2, and then our c is negative 16. So, we will have negative will become positive 24 over 32, or k is equal to 3/4. Now, let us substitute this value to variable y in our original equation. So, substitute y is equal to 3/4 to the original equation. So, we will have 16 multiplied by, okay, so we will have 16 multiplied by y squared, so that will be 3/4 squared minus 96x minus 24 multiplied by 3/4 plus 57 is equal to 0. So, simplifying this, we will have 9 minus 96x minus 18 plus 57 is equal to 0. And then, let us change the sign of negative 96x. So, this will become positive 96x. And also, so, as if we have transposed this negative 96x here to the left and then uh, write it again here. So, that will become, simplifying the whole of this, we will get uh, positive 48. Okay? So, we will have, simplifying this, so we will have x is equal to 48 over 96. And we will get the value of x to be 1/2. And that will also be the value of h. H is equal to 1/2. So, now, we have the center of the vertex rather, of the parabola. So, the vertex is equal to 1/2 and then 3/4. So, for the value of 4a, we will use this formula, negative b over c. So, 4a is equal to negative 96 over negative 16. So, that will be equal to positive 6. So, we have here x and y squared have opposite signs. So, the parabola opens to the right. So, now, we can get the standard equation. Okay? So, we have quantity y minus 3/4 quantity squared is equal to 6, or 4a is equal to 6, quantity x minus 1/2. So, this is the standard equation. Now, using the conventional solution, we will have, so this is the original equation. 16y squared minus 96x minus 24y plus 57 is equal to 0. So, let us transpose negative 96x to the left. So this will become 16y squared minus 24y is equal to 96x minus 57. So the same with positive 57, transpose it to the left, to the right rather. So divide everything by 16. So we have 16y squared minus 24y is equal to 96x minus 57 divided by 16. So we will have, so y squared, and then negative 24 divided by 16 is negative 3 halves y is equal to 6x minus 57 over 16. So, let us, okay, so simplify further. So, we have here, since we have to factor out 2 from 3 halves, okay? So, we have to multiply these 3 halves, or these 3 halves y, by 2 over 2. So, we have y squared minus 2 over 2 multiplied by 3 halves y is equal to 6x minus 57 over 16. So, factor out 2, we will get 3. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, 3 fourths. 2 times 3 fourth y plus, so we have here y squared and then we have y. So, we have here 3 fourths. So, we must add quantity 3 fourths squared here. And then that will be equal to 6x minus 57 over 16. And then again, let us add quantity 3 fourths quantity squared here to balance this entire equation. So, we will have the square of the binomial. So, this is from perfect trinomial square. So, we will now have the square of a binomial. So, we will have y minus 3 fourths quantity squared is equal to 6x minus 57 over 16 plus 9 over 16. So, we will now have quantity y minus 3 fourths quantity squared is equal to 6x, and then simplifying these constants, we will get negative 48 over 16. And then simplifying further, we will have quantity y minus 3 fourths quantity squared is equal to 6x minus 3. So, we have to also, again, let us simplify. So, we still have quantity y minus 3 fourths quantity squared is equal to 6x. So, since we have to factor out 6 here, we have to multiply 3 by 6 over 6. So, we have 6x minus 6 over 6 multiplied by 3. And then simplify, we still have y minus 3 fourths quantity squared minus 6x, and then factor out 6. We will have 6 or negative 6 multiplied by 3 over 6. So, we have quantity y minus 3 fourths quantity squared is equal to 6x minus 6 multiplied by 1 half. So, now we have, simplifying this, we have quantity y minus 3 fourths quantity squared is equal to 6, factor out 6, and then we have x minus 1 half. So, this is now the standard equation. So, the vertex is equal to hk is equal to 1 half and then 3 fourths. So, that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something from our lesson. And on our next video, video number 75, we will tackle about ellipse. So, that's all for today, and I hope that you learned something from our lesson. This is Engineer Armando Omanito. Until next time, and may God bless us all.